What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amanda, back at it again with another video. Today I wanted to do a DIY hair steaming video, basically a DIY steaming video on how to steam your hair if you don't have a steamer. I don't have a steamer, but I do have a heated cap. Hairlicious posted about a few weeks ago, I'm not too sure, about a DIY that she had about steaming her hair, or suggestion of a DIY, and I thought I would try it, and I would try it with you guys in case I love it so much. I might as well share it with you guys, right? So I'm going to be using the Dark and Lovely Ultra Cholesterol. Don't mind my comb, there's a little bit left inside. I'm going to mix that with the olive oil replenishing conditioner, and then I'm going to put some whipped shea butter. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to hide the company because, like, yeah, brought some shea butter in there. And then I'm going to put some of this. If you know this conditioner, you know that I love it. Mix that all together like these. This shea butter is whipped, so it just easily melts and blends into whatever you want it to melt and blend into. Let me mix this. I've mixed it. It's not a perfect mixture, but it should do the job. So take some of this and firstly apply it to the bulk of my hair, not forgetting my new growth. Okay, so I have applied the conditioner onto my hair. It looks messy, but again, this is because I apply my deep conditioner on damp is the word, damp hair. So my hair is not just absorbing just the water and letting go of the product. This is mainly product, hence it looks so stiff. Okay, so I'm gonna do that and then do that, and then I'm going to put a steamed a hot towel over my hair, and then I'm gonna put a plastic bag over my hair, and then I'm gonna use my what do you call it, heat cap. I think it's called a heat cap, but basically the steam or the heat from the towel is meant to act as a steamer, which is trapped in by the plastic, and then the heat is just carried on by the heat cap. I don't know if that makes sense to everybody, but let's try it together and see how that basically has my hair feeling and looking after this. Okay. And then I'm going to connect my heat cap and let this run for about 15 minutes. About 20-25 minutes. I have finished steaming my hair. I think what my hair is looking like after I've done the steaming. It feels really soft actually, so it could have worked. My hair feels absolutely soft. Did it do a steaming job? I don't know. It doesn't feel any much different than it would if I just did the heat, what do you call it, the hooded dryer on its own, although my hair feels extra moisturized. I don't know if that makes sense. Like the water from the towel was helping to keep my hair extra damp even in the plastic and the heat. So I can say that's the one big difference. I don't know if it's doing any steaming you know what I mean. Like, I don't know if my hair is steamed, but I'm gonna try this DIY a couple more times and see if my hair feels different or looks different after a while, because we all know that you won't see or feel a change as much initially, but as the more you do it, the more you start to see it. My hair does feel really, really, really soft though. It feels nice, but my hair also feels this way when I don't put the towel. So I do want to see what the difference will be over time. But yeah, let me know, have you guys tried this before? How can I make it better? How can I basically make this DIY better